In today's competitive business landscape, acquiring your first 10 clients can feel like a daunting task, especially if you're not keen on making cold calls. But fear not. In this video, we'll explore innovative strategies that allow you to build your client base without picking up the phone. From leveraging social media platforms to tapping into your existing network, we'll cover practical approaches that help you connect with potential clients in a more organic and engaging way. Client acquisition is crucial for business growth. It's the lifeblood that fuels your operations and drives your success. By focusing on relationship building and providing value up front, you can create lasting connections that lead to loyal customers. So, whether you're a freelancer, a startup founder, or an entrepreneur looking to expand, stick around as we dive into effective methods that will help you land those first 10 clients and set the foundation for sustainable growth. Let's get started. Understanding who your ideal clients are is a fundamental step, perhaps the most crucial step, in building a successful business. It's about identifying the specific group of people who will benefit most from what you offer. Defining your niche allows you to focus your efforts on a specific group of people, ensuring that your resources are used efficiently and effectively. This targeted approach makes your marketing strategies more effective, leading to better results and a higher return on investment. Start by analyzing the demographics of your target audience. Consider factors like age, gender, location, income level, and interests. The more you know, the better. This detailed information will help you create tailored messages that resonate with them on a personal level, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Next, it's essential to research their needs and pain points. What keeps them up at night? What are their biggest frustrations? What challenges do they face that your product or service can solve? Understanding this is key to positioning your offering effectively. By addressing these issues directly and providing real solutions, you position yourself as a valuable resource and trusted advisor, rather than just another seller pushing a product. Don't underestimate the power of social media and online forums. They are invaluable tools for understanding your audience. These platforms are goldmines for gathering insights about your audience, providing real-time feedback and a glimpse into their thoughts and opinions. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and observe what your potential clients are discussing. Pay attention to the language they use and the topics they care about. Tapping into your personal and professional networks can be a game changer when it comes to acquiring your first clients, providing a warm introduction and instant credibility. Start by reaching out to friends, family, and former colleagues. Let them know what you're working on and who you're trying to reach. These individuals already know and trust you, making them more likely to offer support, provide valuable feedback, and refer you to potential clients. Don't hesitate to ask for introductions or recommendations. A warm referral can open doors that cold outreach simply can't, instantly building trust and rapport. Next, consider attending local networking events. These are great for expanding your reach. These gatherings are excellent opportunities to meet potential clients face-to-face and build relationships in a relaxed setting, fostering genuine connections. Lastly, utilize platforms like LinkedIn to connect with industry professionals and expand your network online. Join relevant groups, participate in discussions, and share valuable content to establish your expertise and build credibility within your industry. Content marketing plays a pivotal role in attracting clients. It's about providing them with genuinely valuable information that addresses their needs and interests. By developing engaging blog posts, informative videos, or insightful podcasts, you can create content that truly resonates with your target audience and establishes a connection. Focus intently on topics that directly solve their problems or thoroughly answer their burning questions. This targeted approach ensures your content is always relevant and helpful. By consistently delivering valuable insights, you're positioning yourself as a knowledgeable and trustworthy resource within your specific niche. Sharing your expertise through high-quality content not only helps educate your audience and solve their problems, but it also builds a strong foundation of trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term relationships. Consistency is absolutely key in content marketing. Regularly publishing fresh, relevant content keeps you top of mind with your audience and consistently reinforces your authority and expertise in the field. To maximize your reach and impact, actively promote your content across various social media platforms, focusing on the channels where your target audience spends the majority of their time. Providing free consultations can be a powerful and effective strategy for attracting potential clients. It also gives you a platform for showcasing your unique skills and expertise in a personalized setting. These initial sessions provide you with a valuable opportunity to directly demonstrate your expertise and clearly illustrate the specific value you can bring to address their individual challenges and unique situations. During these consultations, make a conscious effort to build genuine rapport and cultivate a deep understanding of the unique needs, challenges, and aspirations of each potential client. Ultimately, the primary goal of offering these consultations is to successfully convert interested prospects into satisfied, paying clients who value your expertise and services. Social proof is a powerful tool in attracting clients, and nothing speaks louder than testimonials and case studies. Start by collecting testimonials that highlight the positive experiences your clients have had with your services. In addition to testimonials, creating detailed case studies can further showcase your expertise. Using social proof effectively builds trust and credibility with prospects. Participating in relevant online forums and groups is a vital strategy for attracting clients. As you engage in these communities, focus on providing valuable insights and answering questions. When you consistently share helpful information, members of the community will begin to recognize you as a knowledgeable resource. Moreover, these online communities offer excellent networking opportunities. Partnerships can be a powerful strategy for client acquisition, allowing you to tap into new markets. Start by identifying complementary businesses that align with your services but do not directly compete with you. Creating joint ventures or referral agreements can significantly enhance your client acquisition efforts. Additionally, collaborating allows you to leverage each other's networks. Following up with potential clients is a crucial step in the client acquisition process. First, create a system for tracking leads and follow-ups. When you reach out, send personalized messages that reflect your understanding of their needs and interests. However, it's essential to be persistent but respectful in your follow-up efforts. By maintaining a balance between persistence and respect, you can effectively nurture leads and increase your chances of turning them into loyal clients. In this video, we've explored a range of effective strategies designed to help you acquire your initial clients, all without resorting to traditional cold calls. We aim to provide actionable steps that you can implement right away. We discussed the fundamental importance of clearly identifying your target audience, understanding their needs, and tailoring your approach accordingly. We also highlighted the power of leveraging your existing networks, tapping into connections you already have to open doors and create opportunities. Furthermore, we emphasized the value of creating high-quality, informative content that showcases your expertise and attracts potential clients. Offering free consultations can be a game changer, providing a risk-free way for potential clients to experience your services firsthand. And don't underestimate the impact of utilizing social proof, showcasing testimonials and case studies to build credibility and trust. Actively engaging in relevant online communities allows you to connect with potential clients and establish yourself as a thought leader. Collaborating strategically with other businesses can expand your reach and introduce you to new audiences. Finally, consistently following up with leads is crucial for nurturing relationships and converting prospects into paying clients. Each of these approaches emphasizes the significance of building strong relationships and providing genuine value to potential clients from the very first interaction. Remember, client acquisition is not just about making a quick sale. It's fundamentally about establishing trust, fostering rapport, and creating lasting connections that benefit both you and your clients. By consistently focusing on these strategies and prioritizing relationship building, you can foster meaningful interactions that lead to loyal clients and sustainable long-term business growth. If you found this video helpful and informative, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for even more valuable insights, practical tips, and expert advice. Don't forget to like and share this video with your network and others who might benefit from learning and implementing these effective client acquisition strategies. Your engagement and support truly help us create more valuable content tailored specifically for you. Thank you sincerely for watching, and we eagerly look forward to seeing you in our next video.